So, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra just launched. And within hours, it became one of the most hyped smartphones in China right now. I'm not even exaggerating. There were massive lines outside Huawei stores on launch day. People showed up early in the morning waiting to get their hands on the phone, and the crazy part, by 10 a.m., it was already sold out, not just in physical stores but online too. That's when it really hit me. This phone isn't just another flagship, it's something different. Let's start with what everyone's talking about, the camera. Huawei has introduced a dual switchable periscope lens, and this is no gimmick. Whether you're zooming in from far away or capturing low light shots, the level of detail is insane. The images are brighter, more realistic, and just clean. Huawei is using next-level optics here, and that's why people are literally calling this the king of smartphone cameras. But it's not just about the photos. The Kirin chip inside the Pura 80 Ultra is also turning heads. Over the last few months, Huawei has quietly been leveling up its chip game. The latest Kirin processors, like the one in this phone, are faster, more efficient, and fully 5G capable. And because they're optimized specifically for Huawei phones, the performance feels super snappy. Apps open faster, multitasking is smoother, and gaming surprisingly good for a phone in this range. What's even more impressive is that Huawei didn't stop at just one phone. They've started putting these upgraded chips in other series too, like the Nova 13 and Huawei Mate 70 series. All this adds up to one thing: Huawei is officially back in the game and it's not slowing down. In fact, the demand for the Pura 80 Ultra has already gone beyond what Huawei expected. Richard Yu, the head of Huawei's device business, even said it himself. They're working hard to restock the device because demand is just off the charts. Now here's the thing, when a phone looks this good, performs this fast, and delivers next-gen camera results, it's no surprise it's flying off the shelves. So, if you've been waiting to upgrade, this is one phone you don't want to sleep on. Just make sure to act fast, because clearly everyone else already is. And who knows, Huawei might be preparing even more surprises with their foldables and future flagships soon. Share your thoughts about it in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.